Oops, I think I messed up. For one of my previous videos, I was posting the source code on GitHub. In this previous video, I was showing something about test annotations in JUnit, but I just pushed directly to master and the feature branch. As you can see, there's only one commit here, and it is the final state of the output of this video. I want a really nice initial commit. How can I fix up master now? Step 1. We are now going to make the repository look like the initial commit. So I will remove the sources that I had here. I'm going to remove the build.gradle KTS file. And for the settings Gradle KTS, I want to also add the plugin management, so I do not have to add the repository here as well for every of those branches that I want to create from master. I do like this state. So what we can do here is we do a commit and we call it initial commit. But obviously, now we have a problem. This initial commit is not the initial commit. It is the child of this to-do test annotation. We should now fix this up, right? In order for us to do this, we open the terminal and we can look up the Git tree that this commit is currently referencing. We can do this by using cut file -p, and we get the commit tree number. Now from there we can synthesize a new initial commit by using the git commit tree option, providing the commit message of initial commit. We get back the number, which we then can check out by using git reset hard. And we should now see that our current head is an initial commit with no parents. So it's a true initial commit. We can now push this branch. And we can also try to fix up the previously currently existing other branch that I have, which is the to-do test annotation. To fix this up, we can rebase this onto our master. And we should now see that we have also fixed up this to-do test annotation branch. In order for us to double check it, we can compare with the current remote. So we do something like git, compare with branch, and we compare with the origin test. There are no differences, so all looks good. We can now force push our to-do annotation branch. And this is how we fixed up our repository.